Here's my follow-up on Speed and Shine's Intense Shine and Protect. I used this about 2 weeks ago at Autorama. I was impressed with it. Car's been sitting here after the show. Obviously, I'm working on it, and I got greasy paw prints on it when I pull back my covers. Gets all the greasy handprints right off of it, which is cool. And then it's nice because the dust doesn't seem to stick to it. It gets dust on it and it comes right off. Well, since that's still clean, we'll try it on the wife's truck. That's grimy as anything. The fun part's going to be the vinyl stripes. Will it work? Won't it work? I gotta help her. I don't know how much is picking up. Hmm. I gotta say, I am thoroughly impressed. No scratches, nothing to worry about. That had me concerned. See how dirty the door is compared to the fender? It's not even a 2-year-old truck. She'd kill me if I got a bunch of scratches on it. Vinyl looks amazing. Ellie approves. You see the difference in the dirty bumper? Never mind the bug. Definitely gotta say, I like it.